In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a GoDaddy Airo website. If you no longer need your Airo website and want to remove it from your GoDaddy account, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it without confusion. Make sure you're signed in to the correct GoDaddy account before you begin, since the website can only be managed from the account where it was originally created. Start by opening your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, look for your Profile section. This is usually located in the top area of the page, and it gives you access to your personal account options and settings. Click on your profile to open that menu. From there, select Account Settings. This is where GoDaddy keeps the main controls for your account, including billing, subscriptions, and other management options. After you enter Account Settings, look for the section called Renewals and Billing, and click on it. This area is important because it shows the products and services connected to your account, especially the ones that renew automatically or are tied to subscriptions. Once you're inside Renewals and Billing, find the option labeled Manage Subscription. Click that to view the active subscriptions associated with your GoDaddy services. In the subscription list, locate your Airo website. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct subscription, especially if you have more than one service in your account. When you find the Airo website entry, click on it to open its management options. You should now see the option to delete the Airo website. Click Delete to begin removing it. Depending on what GoDaddy shows on your screen, you may be asked to confirm your choice before the deletion is completed. Read the confirmation message carefully because deleting a website may permanently remove access to its content or settings. Once you confirm the deletion, the Airo website will be removed from your account. If the page takes a moment to refresh, that's normal. Afterward, it's a good idea to double-check the subscription area to make sure the website no longer appears there. And that's it. The process is simply to open your GoDaddy account, go to your profile, open Account Settings, select Renewals and Billing, click Manage Subscription, choose the Airo website, and then click Delete. If you follow those steps carefully, you should be able to remove your GoDaddy Airo website quickly and easily.